Hello guys, welcome to my new gaming video. I am playing a new game named Super Sus. It is my first gaming video and long video on my Ash Studio channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Let's play casual. Yes, it will take time. Okay. Where do you find the body? Okay. There is three. Cluster. I guess. If I will guess wrong, I also may be killed. What I will do? Wrong. I said no. Oh no. I go on. I think this purple, red, and brown is faces. Yes. Good job. Ooh. She's what? She's imposter, I think. Kill, kill, kill. So much killing. Okay. No body. No dead body is found. Black is sus. I saw Sian passing. Yeah, yeah. I was at entrance. Black went me. Uh, Listen, Joker is also here. If you vote Joker and Joker is eliminated, we can lose also. See the role of Joker. Joker can use vent, get voted out to win. Sorry, Black. I also thought it. Why me? No one was voted out. Skipped. Okay. I mean, this game will be end, and I will go to next game. We, we, we. Let's do some tasks. Oh, what I put this cherry sauce. Where did you find Pinky? I killed him. Good job. Most likely Sheriff. I found Black Spot. Emperor. Oh, Emperor. Grimish is imposter. Grimish is imposter. Sorry, Shian Jupiter. Shian Jupiter. I am sure. Shian is a good guy. I did. No.